Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying basics quickly. Make sure WhatsApp is updated and your phone number is active. Once done, open Settings and tap Linked Devices or Connect. You need stable Wi-Fi or 4G because the pairing process transfers keys and metadata. If asked, allow camera access to scan QR codes. If you use two phones, decide which one will be the primary. This first step gets you into the pairing flow, so you can add a new device or service without delays. Now you pair and configure. You scan the QR code displayed on the new device or manually enter the session code. This establishes an encrypted link. Once connected, choose Keep Signed In if you want persistent access, and set notification and contact sync options to control data flow. Make sure to name the device so you can identify it later. If you plan multiple sessions, remove old or unused ones to reduce exposure. These middle steps lock in permissions and encryption for secure use. Finish by confirming the connection. Send a test message and transfer a photo to ensure both messaging and media work. Then review linked devices and revoke any sessions you don't recognize. Enable security notifications to get alerts for new logins. If something goes wrong, the fastest fix is to repair the device, sign out, restart both devices, and try again. Also check network connectivity and that device time is accurate. Incorrect clock settings often break authentication and pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.